Welcome to this presentation on Python strings. We will explore string creation, manipulation, formatting, and real world applications. Now, introduction to strings. Strings are one of the most fundamental data types in Python. They allow us to work with text data and are widely used in programming. Now, we are going to learn creating strings. So, in Python, we can create strings using single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes for multi-line strings. So, you can see the example here. Yes. Next, string indexing and slicing. Strings are indexed, meaning each character has a position. So we can also use slicing to extract parts of a string. So we can see over here with an example, we have a string called as Python. Yes. So P is at position number 0, Y is at position number 1, and so on. So here when I write text 0, the output is P because that is at position number 0. Now text minus 1. So minus 1 will be counting from right to left. So N is at position number minus 1. O is at position number minus 2 and so on. So text minus 1 is showing N as the output. Now comes slicing. So when you write 1:4, what it will do? It will start from here because this is 0. So 1, 2, 3. It will stop at 3. It will not go to 4. Okay, so you can see Y, T and H. Got it? I hope this is clear. Yes. Now, next, string methods. So there are several built-in methods to modify string, such as converting to uppercase, lowercase, stripping, spaces, or replacing the characters. Okay, joining them. Okay. Then comes string concatenation and repetition. Concatenation means combining two strings. Like you can combine text 1 with text 2. Then comes repeating strings. That means you want to repeat the same text again and again. So by multiplication sign, you can write the number like how many times you want to repeat it. Okay, so it will repeat that many times. Okay. Then comes string formatting. It helps in creating dynamic text outputs. Yes. So the f string and the format method are widely used. So you can see here, first example, we are using f strings. So the name alias when you use print f hello and in the bracket name. So when you will try to print it, instead of name, it will write alias. So the statement will be hello alias. Okay, over here hello alias. Then using format method, same thing will come, but what is the difference? Print inside the print function hello comma braces are blank, and then you are using, instead of this f string function, you are using format and this name, which is this variable name, and then what will come in the output? Alias. So hello alias. Okay. Next comes your escape sequences. They help in including special characters like new line, tab. Okay, inside the strings, you can use single quotes, you can use double quotes. Okay. Next comes string comparison. So it allows string comparison using relational operators like double equal to sign. Okay, so to compare two of them, not equal to, this exclamatory sign is not operator, not equal to, then greater than, then less. So if you, and these comparisons are based on ASCII value. So suppose here I'm checking with an example, is apple greater than banana? It is returning false. Why? Because the ASCII values are different, so they it will be false. Okay. Now string membership. So we can check if a substring exists within a string using in and or, not in keywords, right? So you can see here pi. So pi is a part of Python, first two letters, so the output is true. Suppose I'm searching for Java, not in Python. So yes, this Java word is not there inside this word Python. So true. Why true? Because it is not there. Okay. Then comes your multi-line strings. They are created using triple quotes and are useful for documentation and multi-line text storage. So you can see an example over here for that. Yes. Next, real world applications. So strings are used in data processing, text parsing, web development, and machine learning applications. Okay, now let us summarize. So strings in Python are powerful and flexible. Understanding them is crucial for effective programming, and you have learned various methods like they support indexing, slicing, formatting, and many more. Okay.